Welcome everyone, and today we are going to be doing something really special, and we're not actually going to be playing a game. We're actually going to be playing Lego Build Off, which we're going to be building Lego creations, and whoever has the best Lego creation in 15 minutes wins. So I'm looking at the recording timer, and we will start at 45 seconds.
So guys, put in the comments which one is your favorite, and we'll do the voice.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite? Put in the comments.
Oh yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay. This whole trunk is full of Legos, by the way, guys. Okay, I want a regular guy. Oh, he'll work good. Oh, I forgot I had this Lego character.
Kai?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Duh, I have a Call of Duty character. Yes, I'll need you.
Gonna need some like, here. I'll use that.
Okay. You do good. I'll probably use you. I just need some characters right now.
I don't need characters.
I could use you. I gotta mix up some stuff. Okay. I have my land.
I need like fire.
Yes, I could use you.
I need like
your
fire.
head.
Ooh, I could use that cat. Oh.
Okay, I could use your legs. Which legs? I could use your legs. Okay. I want your head for a skeleton. Throw you guys back in here.
Dude, I need some fire.
I have some fire here if you want it.
Oh, thanks.
I need some wilderness stuff.
Yeah, me too. Are you doing the exact same thing as I am?
What? No, I'm doing something different.
I'm not... And guys, I'm not really that good with making Lego creations. But, you know, I still love making Legos.
Some wood.
Fucking
Oh,
bad.
yeah, I could do well. Do well.
I need like a round piece that I can put this flame in.
You'll all see what I'm building in a second. Okay. There's some fire right here, Koby.
Kind of too big.
Use your head also. Use you.
Whoa, this guy's really cool. Look at this guy.
Oh yeah, he's from the...
Okay. Oh, that was my DS. Okay, we good. I'll get it after. Ooh, yes. Oh, sorry.
You knocked my stuff down for some reason.
Sorry.
Sabotage disqualified.
There must be a refund.
You're not even getting... You didn't even pay to get in here.
Shh. Yes, I did.
Oh, I need some brown pieces.
Alright. Alright.
Crap, I threw my only campfire people in here.
Oh.
Yes!
You can use that if you would need it.
Actually, maybe.
I need brown pieces.
Yes! Yes. Use your body.
I'm gonna need something that can cover that.
My nephews are over here, also.
What's in this boulder? There's something in this boulder. Oh, it's a fireball. Let me take that out. Oh, I could use this.
Okay, find all this cool stuff. Dude, look at this. Look at his head.
Wow. Oh, here's some more flames.
Whoa, dude.
That's awesome.
Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cool.
I'm gonna need some more brown pieces.
Tiny brown pieces. I need like brown bricks. Oh, I found one.
Wait, I'm gonna make a tree.
That's what I was doing.
I need brown pieces for a fire though too.
Oh yes, I can use you.
It's only been 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's been 5 minutes too. We have 10 more minutes. Can I put you like this? Oh, I can. Nice. Okay. Put you like this then. Put you like this.
Oh, there we go. Yes, yes.
The mountain in the background.
Yes! Ha 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 ha. Cody, I found a tree.
Found a tree? Nice, dude. But that's not what I was going for. I'm going for something different.
Oh, yes, and brown. Nice. I need green pieces. What the heck? Oh, a vine? That would be cool. That would be nice. Yes. Make like a little tree right there. Incomplete tree.
Okay, so I can have fire there. Actually, I think I need to use a bigger platform. So let's switch everything to over here. My nephews are heading down to the pool right now. But I'm gonna stay here.
Oh, what the heck is this for? It's like a knife.
Oh, that's cool. Shank. Oh, that's from a Atlantis pack. Remember that? It was to a sub, yeah. We used to have a submarine.
Some of the stuff I'm finding is actually like really cool.
Okay, so
How do we even have some of this stuff? This is a terrible tree. No, I'm not gonna have it.
terrible tree. Come on, I need more brown pieces. I found the green ninja.
Wait, are you using this?
Yeah, did you grab that?
Yeah. Crap, I need one like that. That tree isn't really that good, but who cares? Oh, I found a jackpot of green. Whoa. There goes my wolf.
Okay.
Alright, it's coming together, it's coming together. Here's this if you need it.
Okay.
Oh my god! Guys, look at this awesome beast. Oh.
Oh, dude, we have 4 more minutes left.
4?
Yeah. Gotta get a hurry on, dude.
I'm trying. You know what? Instead of a horse, I'm gonna use this dog.
What's wrong?
Nothing much.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Now he's standing right there. You aren't spy.
Okay. This is looking good.
Oh, this is to the Halo set.
Yeah. I need one more character.
Oh my god, it's almost done. I need to...
Oh my god, 2 more minutes. Oh god, dude. We need a character.
Crap.
Can't find a normal character. Found someone. These legs. Yes. Okay.
This guy's gonna have like a little blade in here. Oh crap. Oh, Cody, low battery.
It's okay. Let me click that for a second. Okay. We're continuing.
Yes!
What?
This could save me. This is gonna save me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Well, it's kind of gonna save me. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna save me. Don't bang on the tree. Because then that thing is gonna fall.
Yeah. Dude, we're out of time.
So you can
30 more seconds.
I'm gonna get rid of that one.
10 seconds, dude. Hurry up.
I am.
I'm done.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Okay, guys. time to show off our creations. So, let me pause the video and we'll be back.
Alright guys, this one is my creation, and this one is a wilderness one. These people, this guy right here is surviving with his little doggy, and this wolf is, this wolf right here is like, hey, I'm gonna eat ya. Well, no, but he says like they're like watching them, I'm gonna eat them sometime soon. This is like his little camp right here. I got some like details, like this little grass, this tree. I got this little tree I made right here. I got a little boulder.
Can you flip it around so we can see the other side?
And in here I got 2 flames in this little fire pit, and I added some brown blocks for wood. See? And I got...
Okay, flip it. Can you flip it?
And I added like a little vine right here for detail. This guy's sitting down here getting warm by the fire. And in the camp right here, there's a little
Nice.
knife.
Is there anything in the rock?
No, nothing.
Nothing? Okay. So, he has some stuff on here, mountain, some vines. Nice. So, this is Koby's, and what are you going to call it? Wilderness survival?
Sure, yeah, wilderness survival.
So, I have something like this, so we'll check out mine. Welcome, guys, to my creation, and this is Night of the Living Shadow, and I'll tell you exactly why. So, I added some detail in here. I had one grass, I was gonna add other, like,
one grass.
Back here I have some patches, and I added some grass on the mountains right here. So this is the shadow guy, who obviously this is supposed to be based off a camp story that these 2 people are camping out here. So that's Jim, that's Jenkins. So they have a big fire going on.
A big one.
And this right here is supposed to be a tree house. So that's a tree, some leaves. Right here is where the ladders are to get up here, and he has this kind of little seat right here. And
he's like a pirate because he has like an anchor tattoo.
Yeah. And so behind the mountain of the Night of the Living Shadow, which is right here, is skeleton heads. So this guy is a murderous being that wants to murder these 2 people, Jim and Jenkins. So that's what mine is. Kind of a little scary story kind of theme of them camping. So yeah, that's what that is. So 1 second, guys. So you guys decide who won. Night of the Living Shadow or
Wilderness survival. What? There's a. I really wish they had Doge for a Lego guy, so I could put a Doge in here and it can be like much wow.
Yeah. So guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all your comments and I'll count them all up to see which Lego creation won. So guys, I'll see you guys all later. Till next time. Bye.